2 handles, 1 done, 1 down, 5 to go. And door number 2. And that's the rosette handles off and the mortise latch out. That's the mortise latch in. Lining up nicely. Put the handles on now and screw it all together. Remember when you're doing the rose handles to loosen the grub screw underneath so you can fit the spindle in. That's why they've got those little slots in there. That's where the grub screws fit in. That's the grub screws done up, so everything's still loose. But I just want to make sure it all returns. Just tighten up a little bit, don't do it too tight. Make sure it all still returns. And then you put the 3 screws in. These middle ones are for bolt throughs. You just put the 3 screws in, 1, 2, 3, both sides, and then button it up. And you just slide it on. Some push on, these screw on. It's hard to do it when you're holding the phone as well. There we go. It's one side done. Just the other side to screw on now and put the rosette. Perfect. That one's that's that. Retracting nicely. Closes. Opens. Retracting nicely. 2 down, 3 to go. And now it's time for the bathroom. Oh, that's really gone. There isn't any need to change the lock. It seems to be working just fine now with the new handles. Must have just been the old handles that messed it up. It's locked. It's unlocked. Retracting perfectly. It's not double spinning anymore. Unlocking, locking. So I'll just do the handles up and then move on to the next doors. Bathroom handles are now on and secure. Door's locked. Door's unlocked. And this is 1, 2, 3, room number 4. This one's completely gone, all of it's gone. And that's it all out and ready for the new one to go in. One's working fine. And on the inside. And bedroom number 5. One needs to come off. So this one's been out before, look. Maybe a long one to a short one. Or somewhere maybe got trapped. So this is why I carry 2 sides with me every job I do, just because the first 4 doors are a 76mm and this one was a 63. Door number 1, 2, 3, 4. No, door number 5. Oh, I've got to put the thingy on. Working. Perfect. There we go. Put this rosette on now. And then working, locks, perfect, perfect. Door number 6, latch has gone. Oh look, it came out then. It's intermittent, but it's getting changed anyway, so that's it all out. And I'll put the latch keep in, make sure you put it the right way around, otherwise you just take it out and turn it around. They're reversible. Tighten them up. There we go. That's down the bag, don't need that anymore. Just put the 3 screws in this side, 3 screws in that side, put these screws in, and we're done. That's the last one. There we go. This is it from the inside. All done. All 6 handles changed and locks changed.